Alright, here we have this really old Payne air conditioner. This is probably from the 60s. So it has a newer fan blade on it. Not sure what compressor it has. Probably a Carlisle. Here it is right there. Maybe a Copeland. Not sure. This thing is super old. There's the data sheet right there. I'll take a look at that later on. Yeah, super old Payne unit. Did not expect to find this. And here's like a little Coleman or something. It's got a rotary. Awesome unit. And of course here's a Bryant legacy line. Yeah, did not expect to find this here. I was just taking a look at this place to see if it had heat pumps or not. But I found this. So that's really cool. So thanks for watching.